Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone? See if we can't catch a trade. Find a good setup together.
Green Friday, but red yesterday. Little Red Riding Hood yesterday. You didn't take any trades yesterday, huh, Grizzly?
No, didn't like anything.
I don't blame you. Well, ended up better than I did.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. Looking forward to trading with you all today.
Very smart. Trade safe and stay patient today, my friends. Let's catch ourselves a winner.
No giveaways today, Luke. We may do some next week, okay? But everyone, if you need to take advantage, if you use funded accounts or looking to take profit, still having to sell. I believe they're still having it today. You have to make sure, but use code Grizzly. You can go to grizzlytrades.com to find the link. Yeah, no, Nate, that's a shame.
What?
He was talking about the watch list from yesterday in the chat there. The level I had hit just was later in the day. We my setups I was looking for was shorts below pre-market with confirmation or a reject at VWAP. We came pretty close to it there on that push up, but we have data at 9:45, so I can't take this trade right now.
What is that level? 40?
22,833 for VWAP was, but my game plan this morning was to watch for a reject for shorts on the NQ at VWAP, or look for a short entry below pre-market low if we confirm. What's going on with Tradevate? Is Tradevate not working right, everyone?
Mine looks fine.
I'm trying to figure out if there's something wrong with mine, but it seems to be fine. I've just seen
What did you say, Gene? Your orders are getting rejected? Not anymore.
Here.
Probably getting attacked by Top Step.
Yeah. I'm going to open up a position on mine, see if it works.
Tradevate sent out an official email from their email basically bashing Top Step. Isn't that crazy? And telling traders to trade elsewhere where they use Tradevate. Yeah, the official email. Oh, totally. I mean, of course, with losing Top Step, they're going to lose. We're talking 8 figures a year. We're talking 10 million plus a year, at least. I mean, I'd honestly bet it's in the ballpark of 20 to 30 million a year that Tradevate was getting from Top Step. You got to think, Top Step reported gross revenue of what? It was like 220 million in 2023.
Something like that, huh?
That's a lot of traders. So they were likely paying Tradevate. This isn't backed on data, so I haven't seen the numbers, but I would guess over 20 million a year. This one's yours. They gave us largest. Ask for small. Give us largest. No.
All right, mine's working. I opened up a position and closed it. I made $26 doing so.
Damn, sushi's on you.
That's right.
No trades for me yet, everybody.
Let this what is it, PMI? In 5 minutes, get that out of the way. We'll start looking. What's up, YouTube? If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Welcome in. I think Top Step is moving away from Tradeovate. They're just going to use their.
Howell's speaking too, I believe.
I like Tradeovate. I guess they
There's
just
two
want to
ways
use
of
Top
speaking.
Step. It costs a lot of money for them to use as well, for prop firms to use Tradeovate. So I would imagine that's why, or they just wanted to use their in-house platform, which nothing wrong with it. It's their company.
Mr. Too
Do
Late
what you want, you know.
is speaking.
Good morning.
Inconsistent. Well, your name says it all in what you need to do, bro. Said, sheesh, bros. I've had a rough couple weeks of trading. I've been in straight gambler mode, trading 4 p.m. market opens, placing 20 to 50 trades. Finally, this is my first day I wake up,
Jesus.
when I run to my normal winning schedule. What does that tell us moving forward? Tells us you need to stick to that winning schedule. You got to stick to a routine that works for you. Got to live up to your name. Mr.
I forgot to make
Dopamine.
some
You've
coffee.
been choosing dopamine up until today. You're not anymore. It's crazy. We grabbed the demand area from yesterday, the hourly demand pre-market.
Yes, Jonas. Whenever my automated strategies come out next week, I will recommend you test them on, paper accounts first. Get a feel for them before you hook them to your actual cash account. And the orb strategy is by far my favorite. I will also be dropping a nice indicator with all that as well. Probably my favorite. One of my favorite indicators I've seen. It shows pullback entries and scalps on it as well. And has a dashboard. It's really nice.
What? Okay, everybody. Let's see if they can give us a banger today.
C-Train. I think you can use Apex as long as you watch them. You know, it has to be semi-automated. You have to watch the trades. And Top Step, I believe, allows it. You have to ask C-Train. Just be sure you read Apex's rules. I don't want to tell you wrong with them. This the indicator I'm testing, the one that's dropping next week, tried to get me to go short at 22,800,
Interesting. Tesla's showing some relative strength.
but I can't right before data. Data drops 1 minute. It could go either way really quickly.
Okay, opening range is set as well, money team. Let's get this marked out. Opening range is set.
How did PMI look? I didn't see the results. You're right. It did bounce off that level again. YouTube, can everyone still hear me? You all awake? Drop the questions. I'm watching for pullbacks for entries. I like shorts today. I don't like shorts every day when we're pushing all-time highs. But I was watching for a possible short entry up around VWAP. Quite a bit, Witty. Quite a bit. Just looking at price action, honestly. Yeah, let's take a look at the news and events. Yeah, we have 10 a.m. We have construction spending and job openings and ISM manufacturing.
Nothing yet from me, guys. Stay patient.
TBA auto sales. That's it's fortunate you was on your sim account. Pre-market levels. We do a morning watch list at around 8 a.m. Sometimes a little later on Instagram every morning. Favorite long-term holds? Just boring stuff. Just boring stuff, honestly. It's like VOO. Some of the, I got Tesla, Nvidia,
Right, approaching to 8 to 5.
some other ETFs. All right, Greg is watching the level, so let's listen. If he takes a trade, I'll let you all know. Doesn't mean I'm taking it, but I'll let you know if he takes one.
China 8 to 5.
20
8 to
seconds.
5
more, come on.
entries here. Let's see, we reject or not.
Excuse me.
Right below our 15-minute high. That's interesting. $788. $798. 808.
Yeah, I expected all-time highs again. Just, you know, if I had a, just my opinion, but
Now let's see, heading to 837 most likely. Or
I don't mind the overall market. I just don't like all the, you know, the news moves.
rejection here.
The 1 minute 100-point candles this year have not been the friendliest.
Still just watching, guys.
We hit my reject level exactly there. Let me unmute. We hit the reject level I was watching to a T there, but I want to see confirmation for a short on this candle or the next.
I'm watching ES too.
Who's watching ES?
I'm
Oh, someone
in the
asked.
chat said look at ES. I said I'm watching that too. I watch it with NQ pretty much every day.
What,
Close it
Tiger?
above the 50-minute high.
I didn't know that about
Watch as we
Tiger.
move back down to 240.
I'm watching this.
Beautiful retest back down on ES. It came down, but just closed up there and went straight up. We'll see. It's a short week, holiday week, so I'm honestly in no rush to take anything. Ended yesterday.
All right, YouTube. I'm gonna watch. We've almost got our 30-minute range in. We got about 6 minutes, so that's gonna be my main watch as of now. Watch for the orb entry on the 30-minute The 30-minute orb, not the 15. I'm watching the 30-minute. Yeah, let's wait on the 30-minute range. We do have news at 10 as well. Just like it better, Jonas, for the way I trade. I like a possible short entry here, but we have news, so there's no point getting in it 5 minutes before, news that could possibly move us either way quickly. Yeah, this is a short week before big holiday. We'll try to catch a trade if there's one to be caught. If not, we'll just build patience together, discipline. Hey YouTube, can you do me a favor? Can you get the thumbs up to 100 real quick? There's enough on here.
It's slow. That is also this below this 8 to 5.
I don't know what
We have
Greg
this
said.
big whop in the middle. That's the other one make me doubt.
Still nothing for me, guys. Just watching. Didn't like that 5-minute candle, that big wick there with the volume. So that's why I held off so far.
Yawn. This is what I do, Luke. Trade with you all.
You got news in 2 minutes too, huh?
There we go. We're all gonna be asleep listening to each other yawn. Listen to me yawn.
Yep. Construction spending and job openings.
I would say
2 minutes we got data. Likely won't be super impactful, but it could be impactful to some extent. So
Luke, affiliates are pretty nice. Once you learn how to trade, become profitable, you can, if you grow your socials and stuff, get affiliate deals and stuff, they're decent. It doesn't have to be trading. Anything that you specialize in, you have a passion for, or know a lot about, figure out a way to make income with it apart from just doing the job,
the reason why I didn't take that orb up there was because that 5-minute candle with the aggressive wick and also the downtrend pre-market. So I didn't take that, just so you guys are aware. Real-time read.
See what happened with this news.
I also don't like
I want
taking.
to forget.
We're bouncing off the middle line down here. We wicked above it. So we'll see how this 5-minute candle closes. We have news in 20 seconds, so that's why I'm holding off on anything as well.
If we didn't have news back to back, I'd be short right now, but I'm not in a trade.
Oh my gosh. If only you had, bro.
Wow.
My trade debate just went bananas. Down to 82 and then up to what the hell?
I can't tell. My trading view is
What?
not dealing with this well.
What just happened? That was the craziest candle. It literally immediately just shot down to 82 and closed and gapped back up to 88. That was insane. What? What?
I guess it's trying to digest all that data.
My TOS is fine. My trade debate just had a heart attack.
Brain heart attack.
My edge clear. Well, that just was interesting. How I feel about that. No trades inside this zone for me.
My trading view can't decide if it wants this candle green or red here.
I know. Whoa!
What was that?
That was me yawning. Sounding like an owl. You got PTSD?
Yeah, flashback.
You got PTSD from the owl? I'm looking at shorts too. Unless we close above this 15-minute high up here. My idea for shorts right now, if you're on screen share, is a test up to 822-ish, this area with stops above this high a day. Or if we close this candle very weak, a semi pop up here, 20 points, 25, 15. We could even look for 15 area, 15 to 10 for shorts, 20, 25 points of risk. The J yawn indicator, right?
That's a good question, Jonas. You have to ask TradingView. I don't know about that one. That is not on my end. That's TradingView's in. Kareem, just price action. I've been respecting people up well pre-market. Trending down on the 5 lower time frames. I should have made my coffee before this live.
Close this candle weak. I'll look for the next pop up for shorts. You have 1 or 20 more seconds on this candle, excuse me. Yes, that bounced to a T. Didn't realize that. Just watching NQ. Tesla has some serious relative strength today too.
I sold some TSLL puts yesterday.
You love selling the options.
Oh yeah, do it right. You can make some good income from it.
Right above the midline. Wow. It's an interesting candle.
Well, it gapped down first before it pumping back up.
Yeah, that's this. Need for whatever. 813 guys. 812.
I would go with the 549s probably, Luke. I like that, the money.
Trident Light says the shorts up here, guys.
Jaden said he entered some shorts up here. I don't hate it.
Trident Light says the shorts. There. Tried the shorts up there. I'd like to see it flush back down.
Took it with you, Jaden. Blaming you if I lose money.
Hard stops above. Worst case scenario above 835, but I'd like to see us just flush. Up about 10 points so far. Depending on your fill.
Just drop straight down. It's probably gonna chop around like it did yesterday, everyone. We'll see.
Worst risk is like 20 points. So wish I could have got filled closer to 820, but is what it is. I'd rather try it, potentially catch the lower high, than not. If we close this candle weak, I'm going to move my stops to 820, so my biggest risk is around 5 points. Give or take your fill, 5, 6, 7, 8 points, whatever it is. If we close it weak. Otherwise, I'm keeping my planned stop of 20 points.
This candle's just not doing anything.
You can tell we had the right idea already. We're trying to sell. We're trying to move down. But worst case scenario, I got my stops in at 835, hard stops. So
You all can hear Jaden, right? It's his trade, so listen to him. If you if you're trading with him, unless you have, of course, always have your own plan. I'm just saying, don't depend on me for this one.
come on, just break down. Seller's got to grow some huevos. Grow some eggs. Come on. Need Apple and Title. There we go. 15 points so far. I want to see us push more, though.
I trimmed everyone. I took a trim here. I'm scalping today. You can hold with Jay Dunn or trim with me. It doesn't matter.
No, I'm gonna cover half here at 20 points, guys. I covered half my position there.
Stops at
Move my
entry.
stops now up to just above break even. There we go, guys. 20 points. I did cover half. I'd like to see us move to low a day. I covered half at 1-1.
There we go.
25 points. Come on.
There we go.
Yes, sir. Come on. Keep it pushing, baby. Keep it pushing. More covered. I'm going to take my last remaining runners are going to stop out at break even or gulag. Come on.
Nice scalp to start the day. I'm still in.
There we go, guys. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, everybody. Stops are at, I'm going to put them just below break even. Let's let it run. Let's see if we can get some more juice out of this. I'd love to see low a day. We're letting that play out. Any of y'all take that with us? Team ball? Woo. Any of y'all take that trade? Anybody? Y'all did. Let me know how much y'all made off it. How much y'all up? 20, 25 points. Well, now it's only 15 points. We got over 25 points on that. Let's go. 250, 325, 200. Shorts to the downside, baby. 200, 400, 300, W, 250. Lots of base hits today. That's what I'm talking about. 220.
I'm out of this trade.
That's what I'm talking about. Stops at break even. Oh, I guess it went and got my break even on that pop up. Let's go. 1175. Come on.
Well, YouTube made $407 on my cash account today.
Nice trade though. That was a nice trade.
Put me at 407 on the day.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Now I can afford the sushi later.
Yes. I just wanted a nice, solid over 1 hour win to start. I would rather see more continuation, but
C-Train, you have to refresh it. It should only be like 5 seconds behind.
Risk to find. We'll take it, baby.
$407 on the morning. We got a nice range here. We still could get this orb. I wouldn't count it. I wouldn't call it quits just yet. Twenty 21 more thumbs up. Let's get it real quick, YouTube.
Okay, guys, I'm looking the long steer about this daily level 8 time.
This is exactly why I moved my hard stops up. We got the initial move down, wanted
It's
follow through.
Probably be choppy today, like you see here. But if we get the volume above this for confirmation, we may take a trade.
that video I seen yesterday was crazy. See, now I would look for. We could technically watch for longs on a pullback to 21. I hate how low this candle is. Oh my gosh. Well, there's that. Maybe not. Apparently my card was declined. It's funny because whenever I do tips, I pay with cash. That was insane.
You say your card wasn't declined.
No, there's this video.
Oh yeah, I seen it. I
It's
seen it.
hilarious. I was like,
Yeah.
what is this?
Anymore, I always just use my credit cards and just pay them off every month.
Well, I'm glad we caught one over 1 hour winner. That's good. Not massive, but good. Especially for the allowed risk on the trade. See what else we can get.
Oh dang, the indicator gave us a scalp signal off the close of that previous 5 minute. I was talking you all and didn't even see it. You want to see the scalp, the S? Those shorts were short-lived for sure, yeah. But we made some money off of it, so.
This market's throwing me mixed signals. I was originally going to watch for a pullback to this 820 for longs, but we had this aggressive move up prior, up 30 points. So I'm just not. I don't see anything that I love enough to put more risk on. All I know is that my Nuggets traded MPJ. Hallelujah. And got Cam Johnson. Hallelujah. And Bruce
What is wrong with this guy?
back. Hallelujah.
Jada's losing it. Oh. Well. Oh. 1,000 yawns in to this morning. I was reading Team Bull chat. Oh, selling off here. Let's see. Will it just chop back and forth in this range, or actually give us a signal to the downside? This candle right here is like I'm not letting you catch shorts the whole way down. YouTube, do we call it here or do we wait on this orb? We call it one winning small trade. Nine more thumbs up top. We're almost to 100. 9 more people just have to hit the thumbs up button. That easy. There we go. 100. Thank you. Alright, we'll wait. Would you all care if I go make some coffee real quick? I'll be right back. Doesn't take just a second. Okay, I got it on. Be done in a minute. Yeah, my office is like right beside my kitchen, so. Yes, I muted. All right.
What?
I'm gonna grab my coffee.
Really? Total? That's insane. Yeah, that show was nuts. This is the movie I wanted to see earlier, guys.
What's up? I am back. We got a fair value gap above J Dunn. Bearish one. We might get another short entry there.
I fumbled the bag, not taking that second change short. Definitely fumbled the bag.
Drop any questions you have, YouTube, in chat. I gotta do something in front of me real quick. Shouldn't take but just a second. Stomach is growling.
Dean, I know. Oh my gosh. I did my shorts so dirty earlier, guys. So dirty. We were on the right side of things, but man. I mean, I would have never held through going back up and touching, but.
Yeah, look at this level because we can take loans on 751 and 727. That's what I have.
Awesome job, Jay Quinn. So you had yourself a nice day. That's awesome, bro.
What are you referring to, D-Mill? Are you talking about like the automated ones or like manual trading?
80 down. points. I don't like that we're below pre-market low and high.
Have a good day, rest of your day, RX. Manual, I just go with whatever, levels we get to first, to be honest. And just wait on confirmation. That's all we can do. Whatever key levels, from the watch list or game plan we get to first, I just wait, see if we confirm. If we do, I try it. If we don't, I just wait on the next. If it presents itself. Well.
Man, they went and retested that orb, and I should have done it. Did Eugene?
I was looking for a little bit higher.
Nice. I should have followed my system with the orb. I didn't like how we had that aggressive push down first. Oh my gosh. Why'd you sell? Because you got scared? Yeah, I got scared. Come on, man. Gotta treat your fundings as live. It's the mindset you gotta have every day. Fundings are live capital. Man, I'm actually a little bummed I missed that one. Was textbook.
I'm gonna give this 5-minute candle time to see what it does here. I'm trying to set something up real quick, then you will have my attention back. Well.
Come on. I can't believe they fumbled. They got my entry like that earlier. That's crazy. I mean, still made good money, but man. Yeah, I missed that entry right there. I was just a little hesitant, Corey, with the first win. I missed that one. Definitely should have.
It's been a while,
taken that
Luke,
back,
since I
but
have.
it is what it is.
Grizzology smacking with that orb.
So happy we caught downside today. So the NQ4 hour, we don't really have any support until took our room down. Don't let the FOMO be strong.
That's where I should have entered. They've missed their setup, everyone.
Nope, Grizzly's still here. Didn't Irish goodbye us today.
I was about
Not
to
today.
complain. I'm still here. I was waiting on an entry there, but I hesitated and missed out on the trade, I believe.
Yep, me too. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that, bro.
Yeah, it's giving me FOMO. I think I'm going to walk away for the morning YouTube. I missed my entry. I hesitated on a good setup, so it's on me.
Oh, J Don, what have you done? J Don, you fumbled the ultimate short. We don't have FOMO though, we followed our plan.
Well,
Oh,
I think that's it for the live this morning. We'll be back live tomorrow
it
with
is what it is, baby.
more than likely, so appreciate you all for
Chase the
joining.
bottom just because we're low though, guys. We can go lower.